Let's go now to Puerto Rico and Alaska and see who's standing by. Susan Soltero, let's introduce you first. Susan, are you there?
Certainly an honor and a pleasure to be hosting live from Puerto Rico this broadcast from El Yunque. My name is Susan Soltero. I'm the senior meteorologist at Univision Puerto Rico, and normally it's easy to forecast the weather for a rainforest. Normally it calls for rain, but as you can see, it's a beautiful day here. The temperature is about 85 degrees. Now this is the forest we call El Yunque. We're standing at the canopy level about 50 feet up, and we call it El Yunque because Yunque means anvil in English. However, the name didn't come from the shape of the anvil. That's the shape of our mountain. It comes from the word the Indians use here in Puerto Rico, our Taino Indians, called this Yuque. And the Spaniards, when they heard that, Yuque meant the peak with white clouds. They didn't understand what they were saying, so they called it Yunque. So it works either way. In any case, for our Taino Indians, this was a sacred place. It certainly is one of our national treasures. And with me here is Pablo Cruz, the forest supervisor of the Caribbean National Forest, which is actually its name. Hi, Pablo.
Hi, Susan. Thank you, Susan. Greetings from El Yunque, the Caribbean National Forest, the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System. As a forest supervisor and native of Puerto Rico, I'm delighted to be part of this project and glad you can join us in this broadcast and see some of the spectacular flora and fauna that we have here. The Caribbean National Forest is the oldest national forest in all nations' national forest system, and it's also the smallest national forest. We are very excited to share with you what makes this place so special. We're here in El Portal, our visitor center. It's warm and humid, and as a typical rainforest, it could rain on us at any time. So enjoy your tour on the wonderful world of rainforest.
But being the meteorologist, I'm going to hold off on that rain forecast, and we're going to do a field trip in a second. So we'll be back from Puerto Rico live. So back to you, Sandy.
We'll get back to you in just a minute. Now let's find out who's joining us in Alaska. Patty, are you there?
I am, Sandy. Hi. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Ketchikan, Alaska. My name's Patty Grantham, and I'm a district ranger with the USDA Forest Service. I work on the Tongass National Forest, the nation's largest. In a few minutes, I'm going to be introducing Brooke Hunt, who is an elementary school teacher at White Cliffs Elementary here in Ketchikan, and her 6th grade class. I'm also going to be introducing some experts that are going to be here to talk to us about the temperate rainforest. Just like in Puerto Rico, strangely enough, we have a beautiful day here in Ketchikan, Alaska, although it's about 45 degrees, not quite to 85. It could rain any second, though, just like any good rainforest does. So back to you, Sandy.
Oh, thanks, Patty.